so fast, no perverse. We on a bridge going high, we're going around in the sky. I'm so fucking high. Just with that laid back flow. I'm not saying anything, no code. I'm lit, hit the ignition. I'm realistic, not superstitious.
Snowing and I don't know how to keep it snowing and the blinds of blow are on the table, but Christian won't take it. I don't even know what
Earth. The care of the earth. Take care of the planet. We know we love her. Take care of the earth. Spark condensation. What's going on? We need precipitation across the nation.
We need condensation though.
we need the condensation.
And a 1, 2.
Actually, no. Even national parks still have managed forest areas.
Canada vibes, dude.
Canada? I've never been to Canada.
So, like the drive from Seattle, Vancouver looks just like this, with the whole way.
When I checked in,
Horses. Fourth member of the park,
Yo, good eye.
Mr. Roller.
Think she can hang in this road?
See what kind of backpack you got.
I can turn.
Trek begins.
How helpful.
We physically printed our screenshot map.
More like
Just
Akil.
doing work. Rakeel
Yeah,
did
he
it.
was just doing his job.
Yeah, but we literally just took
He went to show off
screenshots.
his screenshot skills.
We stitched them
Rush
together.
Creek Trail. That's the one.
Is it? Alright. What's the left?
Which way?
Left.
Yeah.
Oh, there's only one arrow. No.
Rush Creek's to the left.
Wait, dude.
Wow, they're actually super accustomed at this point.
You got people walking through every day.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then, yeah, just the typical dehydrated shit.
I left all my ramen in your trunk.
It was funny because, like, Keel would talk.
So we're on this trail. And we all just realize that the view is actually insane. Like, our eyes were just opened to the beauty of the trees, the beauty of the mountains, the beauty of the water and the grass.
Roland! Oh, I meant to film the waterfall.
Yeah, look.
We could have kept going, I think. That's pretty crazy.
Quit the craze.
Keep going, keep going.
Nice tree.
In the lamyan pot, dude. I thought it would be better for temperature.
Is that 400 or 800?
4. So that's why I'm trying to get shots right now, because I'm worried it's gonna be too dark.
I brought a flash. Oh, I don't know if that takes flash, but
I mean, this has a built-in flash. That's the only shot I wanted. You want cinematic or vlog vibe?
up to you. Cinematic, I guess, or both.
Hello, the Taeha.
Pipes.
Taeha Snipes. Taeha's pipes. Taeha's gripes.
I do have 2 pipe subscribers.
Welcome to we're in Inyo National Forest.
Are you even recording, Christian?
Yeah. I'm a videographer. Let me fix my hair. Oh, that's worse. Like,
Shit, dude, they're coming.
it's like certain
Who's
roofing
I'm not
coming?
even kidding.
vernacular.
Like I see them around all of this.
Oh, the bugs?
Where's the heat? Oh, I might have it.
Don't ask.
Let's get
It's
started.
very strong compared to normal bug spray. Keep in mind for sure. They're on me, dude.
Some bite.
We've come upon a dam. Hydroelectric dam. Super windy. It's already like 6:20, if not later.
Nice. Just kidding, we're trying to camp down there now.
Yo, should we just hit that area?
That's what we were looking at earlier. I'm sure.
Out there?
Yeah.
I mean, look, this is Taeha. You hand me your camera and we keep switching off. I think it's
Okay.
This is sick. Oh, hell yeah.
Perfect.
Wait. Will that get us down
We
there?
could even get closer down there.
What we have here, proper beautiful clearing in it. He's trying to tell us
flowers.
purple flowers.
Those are nice.
Purple flowers.
Don't fucking doubt me ever again.
We found our spot. This
Nature would be pretty chill.
is where we're going to be staying the first night. This spot's so good. It's so pretty.
This stuff does look pretty good.
Yo, where's this?
They're setting up our tent. Me and Christian are gonna sleep together. And then let's go see what Akil and Roland are doing. They're gonna sleep on a hammock, I think. Sheesh, this is legit. Alright, it's dinner time now. We're gonna start cooking. We're even setting up a
These are actually all
fire
on the
pit.
top one.
Oh, that's so strong. Oh, whoa!
So glad I switched to this. I'm actually so glad I switched to this.
Yeah, mix it.
Just close and stir.
No, mix it in.
Really wow. Sorry to hear.
It's more like fried rice than pad thai. Mm.
Are you live streaming?
Live streaming? I could
Maybe.
potentially. I get connection out here.
access. Ooh.
Buckle down, boys.
We need to worry about getting covering a certain amount of distance anymore.
Camped out for lunch. I'm so tired. This view though. Christian's gonna make us breakfast tortillas. Bacon, cheese, egg white.
Yep.
Business.
Yeah, can you sit up there?
Wow.
I'm not really. What's wrong with this ground cheese?
It looks almost like so rounded, you know? Like it's almost soft in a way. But
Yeah, but we're about to come out of that on either side. And we could go this way right now.
We have arrived at our final destination. Look, this view though. This is the end of day 2. We're gonna set camp up here in the rocks. Not too far from the water, but we're not right by it. Very nice cooking area that we could use.
maybe we can do these like, if we're trying to do 2 rounds of stuff, we could do this second round because it's less water, so it should be faster to boil.
True.
But I don't know what else you want.
Hello?
Oh yeah. Notice the camera.
No.
Positive.
Taking a picture.
Keel and Roland's tent is about a.
I think if you just put
It's about
yours
a
in
foot.
this door, we'll be total. Try to just bag and split.
The other one after that looks like when you take a Skittles and you squish it, right?